this conference bring everybody together. So I saw people whose specialty is neutron scattering, pump probe, measurement 2D devices, transport theory, and that's actually a very good environment to enhance collaborations, which is so important for quantum material research.
In this specific conference, we're looking at phenomena where these teeny tiny electrons and atoms in a material would try to compete for a dominant role in dictating how the global organization rules of these little particles would be in a material, which in turn will dictate the final properties of these materials that are fundamentally quantum mechanical rather than classical.
One other thing that people are really excited about is the topic of superconductivity, because superconductivity is now realized only at low temperatures, but if we could realize it at higher temperatures, this means we would be able to carry electricity without losing any wind thermal effects.
What we're doing with tychography now really shows that the more you can zoom into a material, the higher you can see, the more there is to see. There's phenomena down there that we never even predicted. Materials are rippled, they're disordered. Every material, every system that we've studied with this technique, we've seen something we just didn't expect.
Transistor is one of the most important discoveries in the human societies that leads to all the electronics we have today. One example is called topological transistor. We can switch on and off the device between a topological state and an insulating state, basically consume as less energy as possible. So if we can develop these new type of transistors, then we can revolutionize this transistor industry.
What I see here is there's a lot of creative ideas. People who are working on controlling materials with cavities, people who are working on controlling materials with light, people who are using new types of probes to look at materials on the atomic scale. I'm sure as we keep pushing forward, we're going to discover more and more things. To me, that's pretty exciting.